This is Jessica. Thank you for taking a minute and looking at this amazing video. We are having a Beastiary Blitz. All of the carousel creatures are done by different individual artists, and we are looking to add 4 more creatures for the Loveburn event in 2026. In order to do this, we need your help. We are trying to raise $25,000, and we give individual grants to each artist so that they can create these amazing beasts.
This is the beginning of one of the sleds. This is going to be a snail sled. I got involved through Dallas Swindle, who is the designer of the project, and we have worked together on a bunch of projects over the last almost 10 years. This is a very ambitious project, and just building the sculptural animals alone is a lot. I've built all kinds of sculptures over the years, kind of focus on found object and kind of like whimsical kind of fantasy things, and then also a lot of functional mechanical things that move. So this is kind of a good mix of those different skill sets. I've never built anything quite this big and mechanically complicated yet, so there's definitely going to be a little bit of a learning curve, but I'm pretty confident with all of our mad scientists that we can figure out how to make it work.
I got into welding in college, and I loved it so much that I decided I wasn't going to be a veterinarian, which had always been my plan.
We want to talk to you about creative manifestation.
And they said, how can we help you? And I said, who makes the art here? It's amazing. They said, we do, us and our minions. And I jumped and said, can I be a minion? I know how to do all of this stuff already. They had me back the next week pulling apart pallets because it was a job so dirty that nobody wanted to do it.
My jackalope came out really well. I'm very happy with him. The piece was a combination of aesthetics from a lot of previous pieces and sort of Easter eggs just for myself. And overall, I'm very happy with how this piece came out.
I am really into herpetology. I love reptiles and amphibians. My name is Julia Hill. I'm a sculptor and multidisciplinary artist. I've known Jessica through their Fire on the Midway antics for years, and we've worked on a few different projects. I created Patches the Snake. I wanted it to have sort of the feel of a really well-loved stuffed animal. I think as a small business owner and an artist, like I already wear 1 million hats, so building teams and being able to not have to carry all the weight of making everything happen is great. It also gives people a chance, I think, to like shine at their own skills and helps a project be more interesting. It's so much better to like make art like with people than by myself.
So in order for us to get 4 more creatures, we need all of your help. We're looking to try to raise $25,000, which is going to be enough for us to add those 4 extra creatures by Loveburn 2026. And then you'll be able to come and ride all of those creatures you helped out with. So please hit that donate button now. Thank you.